Hello, my name is Austin DeCosta, a seventh grader at St. Teresa of Calcutta School, with a deep interest in STEM subjects. Good morning, fellow tinkerers. Welcome to what I like to call Santa's Workshop. My New Year's resolution is to read more books. Imagine this, a conveyor belt filled with a variety of gifts, each labeled with categories such as books, exercise, or travel. Right now, it is currently generating random 10 gifts with either travel, books, or exercise. Your challenge is to sort these Christmas presents into the correct sleighs. But here's the twist. In my game, you're also tackling a New Year's resolution. Players will find special gifts that resonate with their personal resolutions, making the sorting task both unique and more challenging.
Let's make 2024 a year of triumph. If your New Year's resolutions included learning something new, starting a fitness routine, or simply traveling, we are here to help. Challenge yourself, push past your limits, and together, let's make this year one of victory. Let's make 2024 a year of triumph.
This isn't just a game, it's a learning adventure. I've incorporated educational features like informal pop-ups and the speech-to-text function. As players master the basic sorting, the game evolves. Enter an AI assistant, which I've programmed using Scratch block coding. This AI does more than just help sort gifts. It demonstrates how artificial intelligence can assist and even correct human actions. Here's how it works. The AI learns from the images of the gifts. When a gift is placed near the right sleigh,
That is correct, your score is 3.
it identifies it and ensures it's in the right sleigh. If there's a mistake,
That is wrong, your score is 2. It is actually a book.
the AI detects and corrects it. This aspect of the game is a miniature version of real-world machine learning applications, like sorting systems in logistics or personalized online shopping recommendations. If I put a correct item in the correct sleigh,
That is correct, your score is 3.
it gives me 1 point. If I put it in the wrong sleigh,
That is wrong, your score is 2. It is actually a book.
it takes away a point and corrects me. Now
That is
I'm going
correct,
to
your score is
complete the
3.
code.
That is correct. Your score is 4. That is correct. Your score is 5. That is correct. Your score is 6. That is correct. Your score is 7. That is correct. Your score is 8. Merry Christmas, Austin. To help with your resolutions, we are sending you 2 books, Andy Sports Scare, Andy Travel Vouchers.
In summary, this game is not only festive and fun, but also an engaging way to understand basic machine learning principles. It's an experience that mixes holiday cheer with a glimpse into the future of technology. Thank you.